She is packing her stuffed knapsack book bag. Lil Chris top of the world. As a leader, she is collaborative, empowering, open, and decisive. She truly believes in the power she can able to be a self-leader, outsmart. As a young girl like her, she can watch the entire universe. What going on, she can also be observant the world in peaceful. Lil Chris top of the world. She is outsmart. She knows she can't pick up everything surrounded in outsider with her sensory. She can sensory things in a different way, hearing things, seeing things, vision invisible. She knows everybody else. Like normal people, popular celebrities, superstar, and people around the world, Lil Chris top of the world. It's out of regional full control, outsmart. She can also pick up in her brain. She know everything from information stuff and process growing learning from in her mindset. That means that nobody else has her ideas. Her ideas are very creative, credible. Her mind is in an imagination world that she can do many of different things. She can vlog, pick up her iPhone or camera, iPad, tablet. Her ideas is out of this world. She can also pretty good creative as edit videos, filming name of titles into vlogs or albums, or making the album's titles of the names, pictures, everything that she explaining you. She is amazing, well talent girl. She also likes to do taekwondo, karate. It's her passion. She has a few hobbies that she likes to do. Make music studio. She does not do all the time, sometime often, and she's very so outsmart, means about out of this world in a way, like the best creator on YouTube. And besides and her life, actually a good life, becoming always successful is a very fun journey and a fun adventures that her do it for my subscribers. Her YouTube channel is very different like nobody else. It's very different videos. We planning makeup things like what we want to put in the vlog, and she switch it up every single day. Her vlogs on YouTube also do a lot of fun journeys in a way that we traveling. She do road trips and fun journey and stuff. Lil Chris top of the world. She is only one self-leader. She means outsmart, out of this world, up their galaxy universe. She is inspired. She is always number one. She go first. She likes taekwondo, karate. Her passion, she is sitting on the top of the world. And her hobby is musician. She creates her own studio album covers. She very creative. She likes to do edits of her own video on YouTube and uplift everyone around her. Her presence is like a beacon of hope, guiding others toward their dreams and aspirations. With every step she takes, she leaves a trail of inspiration, encouraging people to reach for the stars and believe in their own potential. Her wisdom and kindness know no bounds, making her a true role model for those who seek to make a positive impact on the world. In every challenge she faces, she rises with grace and determination, proving that anything is possible with the right mindset and a heart full of passion. Herself are constantly in awe of her boundless energy and unyielding spirit. She embraces every opportunity with open arms, never shying away from the unknown. In her eyes, every obstacle is merely a stepping stone to success, and every failure is a lesson learned. When she's not conquering new heights in her personal endeavors, she dedicates her time to mentoring young minds, sharing her knowledge and experiences to help them navigate their own paths. Her warmth and generosity create a ripple effect, inspiring a community of dreamers and achievers who look up to her as a guiding star. Her story is not just one of personal triumph, but a testament to the power of perseverance and the impact one individual can have on the world. She is a living example that when you follow your passions and stay true to yourself, you can truly sit on top of the world and perhaps even inspire others to join you there.
kisses.